So here is, I just got dressed for the gym. I am obsessed with these leggings. Called the Glow Recipe. I just ordered my food. Joyce is talking, hold on. I'm one of those people who I love the food that I love, and every day I get excited about having it again. Like, I eat the same food all the time, and if you watch me, you know, but every day that I eat it, I'm excited again about that food. So yeah, I'll show you what I get basically every day. The delivery guy is coming. I find it a lot easier to order food than to cook sometimes, because sometimes I don't like to grocery shop because the food will go bad because I'm always traveling and always working. So I order from a place on the Palm that makes really, really, really good food. Sometimes I also cook. I love to cook, don't get me wrong. I also can cook very well. Okay, is my boyfriend watching? I'm just kidding, he already knows. I love to cook. I think everyone should cook, but sometimes for me, I can't. And I'm gonna hit the gym. Also, there's a Barry's I'm going to tomorrow, so I'll show you guys that tomorrow. But I have a workout class tomorrow. But today I'm just working out myself in the gym that is in my apartment complex. And sometimes I go for a walk, but I will not be walking because right now in Dubai, it is 110 degrees. I'm just not. It's not weather that I go outside in. Nobody goes outside in this weather in Dubai. In the summer, it's just way too hot. So I will not be walking. No, I don't care. It does cool down when the sun goes down, so that's a possibility. But still, I don't walk. Oh, my guy's here. He's calling me. My delivery guy's here. So here is my meal. They could have put a little more salmon on there. Sheesh. Anyways, I got a mixed bowl with greens on one side. Under here is greens and half black rice, eggs. Wait, I got pumpkin seeds. It's in the bag. Pumpkin seeds are in the bag. Roasted sweet potato. They could put a little more of that too. And salmon. Yum. This is my favorite meal of life. If you watch me and you ever see anything I eat, ever, I'm eating some version of this. This is my death row meal. If I were on death row and they said, what's the last thing you want to eat? It would be this. I just got dressed for the gym. I am obsessed with these leggings. Ignore the mess, okay? I'm gonna clean it up. But I'm obsessed with these leggings from Adanola. They are my favorite gym leggings in the world because they don't fall down when I'm working out or running, and they're really high-waisted, and they fit my waist, which is really small in comparison to my hips. I've got wide hips and a small waist, so these leggings fit absolutely perfect. I also have leggings from Adidas, and they do not fit me correctly. They're either too big here and too tight here, or too tight here and too big here. But these ones are amazing from Adanola. They make the best leggings, and they're so comfortable. I just got a blueberry banana smoothie, which is a smoothie I like because I don't think all fruit smoothies are necessarily good for you, but blueberries and bananas are pretty low. It won't give you a huge glucose spike. So I make sure I ask for specifically only blueberries and bananas. How crazy these rice water products are. I rotate every other night. I use this product one night and then I rotate with the Showu anti-gray treatment every week. So before I go to bed, there's nothing in my hair right now, just I got out of the shower, gray rice water treatment. I washed my hair with that. Then I just got out of the shower and then I just drenched my hair, not really drenched, focusing on my roots and kind of bringing it down through the length of my hair with the Showu Essence, the hair tea. I rotate. One night I'll use this and the other night I will use this 3 days a week. And oh my goodness, you guys, the difference I've seen in my hair. Not only is my hair growing like crazy, but the feel of my hair is so silky. Like, that's one thing the rice water does. Like, my hair is just so, I hope the mirror is not in the way. My hair is just so silky. Oh my goodness. Somebody asked me in yesterday's video, like, oh, what do you have in your hair? And I didn't have anything in my hair. I literally do my slick buns. I used to have to put like a good conditioner in my hair to get a really good slick bun. You guys, I don't put anything in my hair to do my slick buns anymore. Just water, because the Yao rice water products just make my hair so freaking silky. Oh my gosh, like so silky. So I don't put any oil in my hair. I mean, like on the top of my hair. And people will ask me, what oil do you have? What gel do you have? I'm like, there's no oil, there's no gel. My hair is just so silky from the rice water products. And I barely, look, you guys, look how much I've been brushing my hair. Like, did you see how many times I'm stroking my hair? That's another thing the rice water products did for me. I barely have any hair fall, and that's a claim on the rice water products. Another claim of them is it will reduce your hair fall by 90%. I used to brush my hair, you guys, and the whole brush would be full of hair. Look how much hair, you guys. And this is me brushing my hair straight out of the shower. And I'm going in, like, I'm not being gentle at all. Like, I used to have so much hair fall, you guys. I get a shower, there's no hair in the drain. I used to have hair all in the drain. My hair used to, like I said, the brush would be full. Look how much hair is in this brush. That's one thing the rice water has done for me too. I just barely notice any of my hair falling out. Which is what the Yao women said as well. When I asked the Yao women, do you ever have hair falling out? Because you'd think because there's so much hair that there'd be hair all over the ground. They said our hair barely ever falls out. You know, a little 3-4 hairs, but nothing serious, because hair is supposed to shed naturally over time. But man, I would say there's a 90% difference in my hair fall. My hair, look how much I've been brushing my hair, you guys. Look. I'm gonna show you the brush. Nothing. Like nothing. These rice water products are insane. Insane, you guys. They're just absolutely nuts. So I'm using the anti-gray tonight, but I switch. Oh. And then before I go to bed, I'll just put it in a little. And just to do, people ask me about my slick bun. The slick bun I did in yesterday's video, nothing was in my hair. I just go in and brush my hair with like a bristle brush when I'm doing a slick bun, like this. And even to do my edges, don't put anything on them. My hair's so silky, I can lay down my edges with no gel, nothing. All the products are available on my website still for pre-order, shipping the last week of July, yes. Because I'll be back in China to get them. But you guys, you're joking, like nothing is in my hair right now. Just water and the rice water. I just got out of the shower. Look how freaking silky. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, I am so glad I got my hands on these products. If you want them, you gotta get them now because my pre-order is almost sold out. My last week of July pre-order. Like, you gotta be kidding me. This shine is just... Yeah, people have been asking me, what gel do you have in your hair? What did you use to make your slick bun? Water, honey, water. So anyways, I'm gonna finish my bun and then I'll come back.